Hey everybody! I am so happy to announce that I have reached 4,000 followers on Instagram. And because I'm so excited and so grateful and blessed, I want to announce that Counterculture DIY and I have partnered to do a giveaway of a huge silicone mat. Look at this sucker. I can't get it all in the picture. It's 36 by 24 inches. The biggest, thickest 4-pound mat I have ever seen anywhere. And it is by far the bomb. It cleans up with resin, acrylic pores. You can wipe anything off of it. It will stain with alcohol inks if you're not careful. But, so, Counterculture is going to give you a mat and some mystery prizes as a winner. So what you must do is comment below on Instagram, tag 2 friends, make sure to like and follow my account and Counterculture's account. And the winner will be chosen on Monday, April 11th at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You must try to win this. This is such a fabulous must-have in your studio if you are a fluid artist of any kind. So please drop your comments below, tag a few friends. The more you tag in comments, the more chances you have to win. Please like, follow Sandra, Lett, and Counterculture DIY, and share and tag with a couple of other friends for a chance to win this massive silicone mat and a few other mystery gifts. So we will pick a winner Monday, April 11th at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay tuned.